Mr. Zuazo's.
What does that say?
States home, bro.
And what about this next message, detective?
That's Mr. Zuazo to Mr. Hernandez. Good shit. That's October 10th, 2024 at 11:06 p.m.
And as the officer in charge, would that be after the time? Do you remember if this is after the time that the ring video that we reviewed on October 10th at the Rochester Herald?
Yes, that's after the time period.
And this next message, detective, what time is this at? Date and time?
That one is October 10th, 2024 at 11:06 p.m.
And what does that say?
It appears to be a time. It's from Mr. Zuazos to Mr. Hernandez and states 8:45.
And the next message?
Mr. Hernandez to Mr. Zuazo, okay, and that's on October 10th, 2024 at 11:06 p.m.
And Detective Conley, this next message right here in the middle, what time is that?
The date and time on that one?
Yes, sir.
That one is October 10th, 2024 at 11:20 p.m.
And who's this message from and to?
That's from Mr. Hernandez to Mr. Zuazo. It states, am I picking you up at 8:45 or you want to be out there by 8:45?
And that's from defendant Hernandez to defendant Zuazo.
Yes.
And this next message, detective, what does that say?
That's from Mr. Zuazo to Mr. Hernandez. That says, be here at 8:45.
What's the date and time for that?
That one is October 11th, 2024. That's at 2:35 a.m.
This next message right here at the top in the blue. Can you, the date and time of that, please?
That is October 11th, 2024, 8:47 a.m.
And who is that to?
That's from Mr. Hernandez to Mr. Zuazo, and that says, on my way.
And this next message right here in the green, detective.
That's from Mr. Zuazo to Mr. Hernandez, says, I'm up, and that is on October 11th, 2024 at 8:47 a.m.
And the next message, sir?
From Mr. Hernandez to Mr. Zuazo, says, okay, and that's October 11th, 2024 at 8:48 a.m.
And October 11th, 2024, that's the date of the death of Mr. Murray.
Yes, sir.
And while you were sitting here in the courtroom and while you reviewed all the evidence as officer in charge, were you aware of that Lowe's surveillance video that was admitted as exhibit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this date and timestamp, was that before that Lowe's home video date and timestamp?
Yes.
And also, as part of your investigation, did you obtain a cell phone that belonged to Amanda Diaz?
That was obtained by Cato Parish and transported back up here when Detective Wendell Smith and Detective Weidman went down and picked up the property.
Okay, and as the officer in charge, did you author or request a search warrant for that phone?
That one I believe Detective Weidman did because there was some logistics where we weren't sure when we were going to be able to get the property. So he had initially authored one for Cato Parish to do a search of the phone. Then a secondary one was authored when it was determined that we were going to be bringing it back in a timely manner.
And was that phone searched pursuant to a valid search warrant here in Michigan?
Yes.
Okay. And did you give the cell phone in the same course and manner that you gave defendant Zuazo's phone over to the Oakland County?
That one came in a little bit different because in the they arrived back from Louisiana after driving for hours in the middle of the night, so detectives logged all the property into our property room. Those items were later picked up from the property room and transported over to the computer crimes unit by us.
Was a full cell phone extraction done of Mrs. Diaz's cell phone?
Yes.
Okay. And did you review that Cellbrite report of Amanda Diaz?
I did.
Okay. And did you go through that phone and review messages between Mr. Hernandez and Mrs. Diaz?
I did.
Your Honor, at this time, the people are going to move and admit people's proposed exhibit number 22 at this time, Your Honor.
I have no objection, Your Honor.
No, it's that.
And Detective, we're going to kind of have to do the same thing, okay?
Yes, sir.
And up here, this is a copy of the cell phone extraction report that was given to you, or created in this, for Mr. Diaz's cell phone?
Yes.
Okay. And who are the participants in this particular cell phone extraction that we're going to go through?
The first one is a contact of and it is the phone number for Carlos Hernandez.
And that's the same cell phone number that we were just reviewing messages between the defendants?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who is this other participant here?
The other one is the owner phone, which was the phone known to be Amanda Hernandez's, or Amanda Diaz, which was taken in or seized while in Cato Parish.
Okay. And this first message on the top, do I have to do this the same manner? Who is this to and who is this from?
This is from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda, states baby.
Okay. And then the next one?
That's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez, states yes, my love.
Okay. And this, these next three right here, would this be fair to say, are these from Miss Amanda Diaz to Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, they appear to be.
Okay. And what does the first message say? Okay.
States, but I got a free Jackson.
And then the next one?
Guess what?
Okay. And this next one, can you give me the date and time on this one right here?
That is October 1st, 2024 at 1:46 p.m.
And who is that from?
That's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez.
And what does that message say?
The badges were delivered.
And the next message?
You account still negative, and that's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez on October 1st, 2024 at 1:50 p.m.
And then this next message, kind of same procedure, date and time.
That one is on September 28th, 2024 at 11:57 a.m. That's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez. It states, remember what I said. If you have to leave with nothing, that's okay. You're the most important.
And what's the next message?
The next message is from September 28th, 2024 at 11:58 a.m. from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez, says, what if he's not home?
And what about the next two messages? Is that responses from Mr. Hernandez to Mr. Diaz?
Yes, it's from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda. The first one states, I know, baby. The second one states, he will be.
Okay. And what about this message up in blue right here?
That's from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda on September 28th, 2024 at 11:58 a.m.
And what does that say?
I'll text you when we make it up there.
Okay. And what about this next one in green?
That one's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez. That's on September 28th, 2024 at 11:58 a.m. Says, as long as you know your life and freedom is important to me.
Okay. And Dr. Conley, what about the next one?
That's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez on September 28th, 2024 at 11:58 a.m. States, okay, baby.
And what about this next one, Detective?
The next one's from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda. That's going to be September 28th, 2024 at 12:08 p.m. Says, I know, it is, baby.
And can you read this next message?
The next one's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez. That's on September 28th, 2024 at 12:29 p.m. Says, I'm gonna have to buy a hoodie. This weather ain't it.
And the next message is not a response. And then what about this next message, the date and time?
That one is on September 28th, 2024 at 12:44 p.m. from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez. States, turn your phone off when you're out there, just in case.
Okay. And what's the next message?
The next one's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez. That's on September 28th, 2024 at 12:45 p.m. States, or you think you don't need to.
And Dr. Conley, can you read the stop message for us?
That's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez. That's on September 28th, 2024 at 1:31 p.m. States, I'm so nervous, but you guys seem to have it down. And I feel better now that you have a good getaway car.
What's the next message, Detective?
Next one's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez on September 28th, 2024 at 1:36 p.m. States, I still am really nervous though.
Detective, next one, please.
That's from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda. That's on September 28th, 2024. That's at 1:40 p.m. Mr. Hernandez states, it's going to be okay.
And what about this next one right
That one's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez on September 28th, 2024 at 1:40 p.m. Amanda states, promise.
And do you read the next message?
That one's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez on September 28th, 2024 at 1:57 p.m. States, I've been creeping on you.
And the next one?
That's from Amanda to Mr. Hernandez, September 28th, 2024 at 2:09 p.m. That one states, make sure you don't forget to take the tag off.
Okay, and what about the next one?
That one's from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda on September 28th, 2024 at 2:39 p.m. It appears to be we FKD up.
And the next one? Oh, sorry. In this next one right here.
Amanda writes to Mr. Hernandez, what? And that's on September 28th, 2024 at 2:39 p.m.
Thank you. And this top message here in blue?
That's from Mr. Hernandez to Amanda. That's going to be on September 30th, 2024 at 1:03 a.m. I am, baby.
And this next message, Detective?
That's from Amanda